this video, we take the knife measurements and the knife. We cut the way we draw. We handle this process with a metal cutter. Don't forget to be careful. We bend the way we want. We connect to the end of the machine. Here for our machine. We mix gasoline and oil. There is snow about 1 meter high. Looks like this from the outside. We came to try the machine. To start, it's ready now, it's time to start. It's extremely cold, I'm freezing. My dog looks great there too. We are almost ready. The weather is colder than I expected. I wore 3 coats for this. We give light gas. In a very extreme. There's snow, as you can see. It's perfect snow. Don't forget to watch the video, subscribe, and like. The engine is having difficulty in this part. But it's okay for him because he's strong. How impressive it looks. Now, we're going a little further into the interior of the snow, and we will do the real experiment in that part. I'm pushing a little. Ha 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 ha. Remember to be careful while doing this. How nice it eats gas. We are running again. Very comfortable, very professional. Don't forget to follow us before you start. The real engine is always with you. Good luck to the audience from now on. Don't forget to follow us.